Hello everyone, it's pyGuru this side, and today in this tutorial we are going to learn about how to set up Firefox with Burp Suite. Okay. Now here I'm using Burp Suite Community Edition. You can use the Community Edition as well as Professional Edition, whichever you want. The process will remain the same. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to install both of these, Firefox and then Burp Suite. Then next is we have to configure the proxy. So for this, I'm going to use an extension here. So click here, go to extensions. And then you have to type the extension name, and the extension name is Foxy Proxy. So just type Foxy and then Proxy. So here you can see it's saying Foxy Proxy standard. So just add it to Firefox and add. Okay, so it's installed now. What we have to do is we have to configure this now. So we'll just click on the extensions again. And then here it says can't read this thing. Okay, so click on the Foxy Proxy open extension. Here, click on the options. Currently, you'll see it says disabled. So click on the options. Okay, done. And after clicking on the options, that we have to do, we have to set up the proxy here. Now go to proxy tab, click on add. Here you have to type title. I'm just going to write Burp. Then you have to type the hostname. Hostname will be 127.0.0.1, and then port will be 8080. Once you do it, we have to just click on save. Now you can select type equals HTTP and click on save now. So once it's done, what you have to do, you have to open a new tab in Firefox and then type HTTP, or you can just type 127.0.1. Column 8080. Okay, so here we will see a page like this. Click on the CS certificate and it will download a file here with the name csr.dpr. Okay. Then go in there and then click on the settings. In the settings, search for certificate. So then you can see it says view certificates. Click on the view certificates. And then in the authority section, you have to click on import and import the file that you've just downloaded. So csr.dpr. Click on open. And here you have to click on press this series to identify websites as well as email users. Once it's done, click on OK. Then click on OK. So now we're good to go. Let's try it now. Let me just close this finish and then close this one as well. Now, if you click on the extension and Foxy Proxy, we should see two things. Burp. So click on Burp. Okay. Now let's try to check out some page. Here I'll say click on Facebook. First of all, let's go to Burp Suite and turn on intercept is currently off in the Proxy tab. Turn on the intercept tab and click on any website that you want. Okay. So currently I am clicking on the Facebook and you can see the requests are now intercepted. So before this request goes to Facebook server, it will come to Burp Suite now. So once you click forward, then only it will move forward. Otherwise, it will stick at the signature. So yes, you have to just keep clicking forward here until the page is open like this. So yes, this is how you set up Firefox with Foxy Proxy and Burp Suite. The same process is for Chrome. You have to install a Foxy Proxy extension and then download the certificate and then upload it back to Chrome. So yes, this is guys, we will learn something new. If you love this video, leave a like or a dislike. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial.